Cochin Shipyard is the stock in focus. They have bagged a 270 crore order for the supply of 9 floating border outpost vessels. I hope I got that right, from the Home Ministry. Well, Madhu Nair, the Chairman Managing Director of Cochin Shipyard, joins us now. Good morning, Mr. Nair. Thank you very much for joining us. Normally, what kind of timeline do this 270 crore order comes with, and what does it mean to you by way of margins or EBITDA?
See, this will be executed in 18 to 24 months' time, and it's a normal shipbuilding project. These are for the BSF for deployment on the east and the west coast of India. Essentially, there is a floating post with a few boats from which they operate. So for us, this is an entry into what we call the auxiliary defense space, where it's BSF and the auxiliary police forces operating. So for us, there is an important win, and 270 crores will get come into the books in the next 18 to 24 months.
But the EBIT percentage will be 20%? Like your average last quarter?
I wouldn't like to talk about...
okay.
I wouldn't like to talk about specific project-wise percentages, but it should be in line with our standard shipbuilding projects.
Okay. Mr. Nair, good morning. What is the order visibility like in the auxiliary defense space over the next 1 to 2 years? And what's the order book that the company is sitting on currently?
See, the company currently has an overall order signed, and in the near immediate future to be signed, it's about 15,000 crores. And I would also like to report that March has actually been good for us, because on the 1st of March we also secured a 300 crore contract from a group of the JSW Steel Company for 4 coastal bulk carriers. So 1st March we got this 300 crore order, and now we got this 270 crore order. So this auxiliary defense space both from police modernization and from the BSF, we are expecting a pickup to come in. I'm not in a position to divulge exact information at this stage, but there is a good prospect over the next few years coming in from this space. Okay. And current order book is about 15,000 crores.
All right. Mr. Nair, if you can give us an overall indication on margins, because last time around your margins contracted a bit. Of course, from very high levels. So, at the end of now, since the FY19 year is almost ended, what do you think you may finish by way of margins?
The margins, I should say, would be consistent with what we have seen last year. On the growth, both on the top line and bottom line, we have consistently been saying that we will try to go 12 to 14% on a year-on-year basis. I can say that we are well on course to attain those levels.
So what, 20-21%?
Pardon?
Would your EBITDA margins be 20-21%?
Around that levels.
Okay. What is the cash on the books of the company currently, and what are the plans in terms of utilization of cash?
See, cash, you are probably aware that we are on a few major expansion projects, and the cash, what we are having is, there's a planned spend of action. There is a new dry dock and a ship repair yard coming up in Cochin. So this year, we have spent about 500 crores of cash. So you will see, from what we had last year, the cash outflow, cash would be less by about 500 crores for the year. And next year also, we expect to spend about 500-600 crores on a yearly basis.
Okay. You said that when you gave us that 15,000 crore number, that these are orders fully signed and almost about to be signed. How much would be almost about to be signed? And also, are there any... sorry, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, we have this naval order for the corvettes, which has taken some time. Okay. I should say this around the corner. That's how I like to put it. That's about 5,400 crores.
Oh, that's big. Okay, so that means 10,000 fully signed and another 5,000 about to be signed. Are there any bids out there where you are L1 or where you have a very good chance if you can give us some visibility of how the future order booking looks.
Not right away. There are no bids which have been concluded were via L1, but there are inquiries, RFPs which has come into us. But then, since it's from the defense, probably I won't be able to tell out which all RFPs. But yes, we are at least working on 2 RFPs which has come to us.
All right.
Okay, Mr. We thank you, sir, for joining us and taking us through your company as well as the outlook for the next 6 to 12 months. Well, that's the word coming in from Cochin Shipyard. They're sitting on a big order book of almost about 15,000 odd crores, and look at the stock; it's up almost about 1.5%. They're quite confident about the auxiliary defense space and the pickup there. We'll take a quick break. On the other side of the break is an excerpt of a special chat with the former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, where he talks about growth, the data debate, and what he would do if he were the finance minister. Stay tuned.